think of you in everything that I do, to be with you. Whatever it takes I'll do, 'cause you, my love, you're all my heart desires. You've lightened up my life. Forever I'm alive. Since I found you, my world seems so brand new. You've shown me the love I never knew. Your presence has sparked my whole life through. Since I found you, my life begins anew. Now who needs a dream when there is you? For all of my dreams came true since I found you.
Wahai Musawir bin Yusuf Ahmad, atas kuasa wali Bapak Nasruddin, saya nikahkan anak kandung perempuannya yang bernama Dian Maghfirah binti Nasruddin dengan engkau dengan mahar kalung 10 gram dan seperangkat alat salat tunai karena Allah.
Saya terima nikahnya Dian Maghfirah binti Nasruddin dengan mahar 10 gram kalung emas dan seperangkat alat salat dibayar tunai karena Allah.
My heart, my soul